Look at that morning glow. This place sits right on the water in Rimouski, and catching the sunrise here is something else. It feels completely isolated and at peace with the tide. The silhouette is incredibly clean. It's actually a total renovation of an abandoned 50s cabin, but they've given it this sharp, contemporary skin that feels so right among the trees. You can really see how the house works with the terrain here. They didn't just flatten the site, they respected the natural slope, which gives the whole structure a graceful sense of lift. And here's the clever bit. The slope reveals an entire lower level. It's such a smart way to maximize the footprint and gain extra space without making the house look bulky from the road. Stepping inside, it's pure minimalism. That black fireplace is such a strong focal point against the pale wood, keeping that cozy cabin soul alive despite the very modern execution. The kitchen is fully integrated into the living area. I love the vertical slatting on the island. It adds just enough texture and rhythm without breaking the clean lines of the room. It's very functional, but feels light. Even with the darker accents, the natural light flooding in from those massive windows keeps everything feeling airy and connected to the outdoors. This angle shows the flow perfectly. You've got the dining area right there, and those open riser stairs keep the sightlines clear. You can almost feel this original 1950s skeleton underneath. But honestly, the views are the real star. They completely redesigned the window placements to frame the landscape like living artwork. It's like the horizon is part of the furniture. Upstairs gets a bit more playful. This orange sofa is a great touch. It adds a warm, energetic pop to the neutral palette and creates the perfect little nook for a rainy afternoon. The main suite is the ultimate sanctuary. It's stripped back to the essentials because when you have a view like that to wake up to, you really don't need anything else. Coming back outside, it's impressive how they preserved the scale of the original cabin. It still feels intimate and humble, even though the design is now world-class. It's a beautiful example of how you can honor the history of a building while completely reinventing its future. A true refuge on the bay, through and through. But I'm curious, what do you think of the house? I'd love to know your thoughts.